Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. On Cooking Up Love, we show you how to make delicious food you can proudly share with everyone you love. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a decadent sweet pinto bean pie using just 1 can of pinto beans, a pie shell, sugar, milk, and spices. Pinto bean pie reminds me of a mix between a pumpkin pie or a sweet potato pie and a pecan pie. The mashed pinto beans combine with the milk, sugar, and spices to make a delicious, creamy custard spice pie. If this is your first time at our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. Alright, let's get started. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. I'm using a prepared pie crust. You can also use your favorite homemade pie crust recipe. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Whisk 2 eggs. Then add 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Whisk all of this together until it's well blended. Then add the 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1/2 cup of heavy cream and whisk everything all together. Thank you so much for watching our channel and our recipes. Your support means so much to us. We have new videos posted every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Next, drain and rinse 1 can of unflavored pinto beans. Microwave the beans for about 2 minutes and then mash them with a fork or a potato masher. There will be some larger pieces of bean, and that'll give the pie a nice texture. Add the mashed beans to the custard mixture and stir to blend. Pour the mixture into the pie shell and bake at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. Then reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees and continue baking the pie until the edges are set and the center is a little jiggly. Transfer the pie to a rack to cool completely and then slice and serve with ice cream. This pie will keep for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. If you're looking for more easy recipes to share with your family and friends, check out this Easy Dinner Recipes playlist. And here's another video I think you'll like. Okay, I'll see you there.